Hey guys, it's a beautiful day here at Red Hen Racing. We came all the way down to Road Atlanta to run another Tire Rack Track Night in America event.
Oh my God, do you see the smoke?
It's gonna be a good day.
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy.
We've already gone to the driver's meeting, gotten registration all sorted out. We already went out for a couple of pace laps and feels good. It's nice driving around with my sway bar actually connected. Fucking 3-piece sway bars, man. I wonder how long that has been disconnected.
How long we've been hearing that jangle sound?
You know, shit happens. But look, this is how it goes. We're having fun, and that's all that matters. So we've already got our running shoes on. We're gonna keep an eye on brake temperatures because that was an issue at the last road course we did. Even though we're on these Willwoods now, which are great for autocross, they're getting fucking cooked out here. Other than that, we're gonna have fun. Let's get out there and fuck some shit up. All right, so right in front of us, we've got a Challenger, a Charger, and a couple of Camaros. The goal is to have to get point buys from them and not to give a point buy to the other red ND that's behind us.
In an event like this, you can't just pass whenever you want to. They have to point out their window telling you it's okay to pass them.
If he's a better driver than me, we'll point him by, no problem. But I'd like to not have to do that. All right, here we go, first session.
Let's go get this son of a bitch.
Ever leave each other.
I think he knows the course better than me, so I'm gonna let him take the lead.
Goddamn right.
Yeah, he's put a gap between them. Right at 2 minutes, huh?
I'm gonna have to pass.
Make up stories like that. That's just made up.
You're quick, man. I was trying to stay ahead of you, but I had to give it up.
Are you winning?
I didn't have to, well, I did. I let that other red Miata, I let him pass me.
I saw that.
I just stopped and talked to him. He said he hasn't been here before, but he's run a lot of other road courses, so he knows more of what he's doing. I let him take the lead on that one.
Maybe a black Beamer?
No, that fucking black Beamer split us up. We both came up on the black. I was hanging within a couple of seconds of him the whole time after I let him by. And then he got a point by from that black Beamer, but then Beamer didn't let me by and it split us up.
We thought you got passed by the black Beamer.
No, I wouldn't have let that happen.
The other Miata was the only one who passed you.
Yeah.
And you guys passed a few people, I think.
Yeah, we passed a bunch of people.
It's a good track.
It's fast and it's scary.
I've got something a whole lot scarier.
A lot scarier than Brainerd was.
Really?
Like, yeah, it's a lot faster of a pace, and the wall is right there the whole time.
Life, there's roadblocks. Don't let nothing stop you, cause we ain't stopping.
All right, we're lined up with an RS5, a couple of fast Camaros. Let's see if we can get by them.
Braking.
Kilometers later.
Thank God. Now let's go get some Camaros.
This is the missile guidance system, bitch.
2 seconds off the other lap time.
Put your foot on the brake pedal, but nothing happens. You push it again. It goes to the floor. How to survive brake failure.
Woo, that was fucking scary.
You're not part of the turbo team!
That was a very puckerful moment. Go on and get it, bud. I'm gonna have to pull in. Fuck, man. I cooked my brakes chasing a Camaro. I had him though.
You never had your car.
Hey, you came in early.
I cooked my brakes.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. When everything gets too hot.
Where do they go? There they are. They're listing lazily to the left. Go left, left!
Basically, the fluid boils and becomes a gas, and you can compress a gas unlike a hydraulic fluid
How do you
or
know
brake fluid.
when you're driving? How do you know that they're cooked?
Because you go to hit the brakes and they don't do the thing you expect them to do, and it makes you shit yourself.
See, we need to give you a change of shorts.
Woo! Just feel the wheel itself.
hot.
Is it?
It's hot.
I'm not touching it.
I was on that orange Camaro. Next time we came out of 10 and we're coming up here, he was gonna have to point me by. And when we slammed on coming into 10,
Oh, I smell it.
forget.
You went up this hill last time, you were like, back off.
Yeah, I had to back off immediately coming out of that S and going onto this straightaway. I only ran another lap instead of hitting pit immediately to give them a chance to cool down a little bit.
We noticed you looked slower, and then when they came back around again, we noticed you weren't there.
You weren't there.
Yeah. Feel how sticky they are. Dig your nails into them tires in the tread.
That's pretty cool.
It's cool, isn't it?
I can smell the brakes.
Sticky as yeah, I guess so. They're fucking boiling.
Okay.
You're fucking on YouTube.
He edits it out.
Oh, fuck. You fell victim to one of the classic blunders. What do you need to do? Like upgrade your pads and
Yeah, so these Willwood calipers are not the ones that came on it. They're already upgraded and they are excellent for autocross, but the pads, we probably could be running a better pad that's more oriented for road courses. These pads are oriented for autocross, so they bite really good even when they're cold, but they heat up really fast. And I need one that does the opposite.
For this, but not for autocross.
For road courses.
well, isn't that interesting?
But a fix would be just to have ducting that goes from the front bumper and to the back of the rotor to cool them down.
Cools off the rotor.
Yeah, I need brake ducting for road courses.
Here we go. Simple fix.
All right, here we go. Woo! Last session. Let's fucking get it.
That's a lot.
6 seconds.
6 seconds is a lot. It probably don't work.
Right? I mean, these people right here.
Yeah, the gap is a lot bigger.
There's something dragging under me?
Yes. I forgot you don't want to set the parking brake when it's hot.
I can smell them. What were they looking at?
Something's dragging.
I think it's that little front diffuser piece. Oh man, look at the smoke.
Oh my God, do you see the smoke there?
Man, you could light a cigarette off of that motherfucker. That's all brakes. That is brake smoke. And this guy, what are you doing, my guy?
Yeah, how did you lose that?
Man, he got knocked down somehow. I did get to where I was kind of hopping the curbing just a little bit going through the S's, trying to straighten out the S's. So I don't know if that might have done it, but there's still enough of a clip right there that it'll stay there. It's probably fine. And if it yeets itself off, we have that Gretty lip that we need to put on anyway. I would slap a zip tie on that though. I don't think I brought any.
I feel like there was some in my thing unless you took them out.
You got some zip ties?
4 to 6 days later.
Whew. All right, in case you can't tell by the tone change and the crunchy leaves, we made it back to Minnesota where we're safe from things like Camaros and humidity. Don't look in the garage, it's a fucking mess. We've got so many projects going on right now. The Supra's got big things happening. The Miata is already in winter rally mode. We got a lot of good stuff coming up. We're gonna be doing a lot more events just like this one and a few other exciting things coming up that we're gonna have a good time. Next time we go to a road course like this one, we're gonna be a lot more prepared. I've got something up my sleeve. And speaking of sleeves, it's hoodie weather. We got a lot of great new stuff in our merch store online. Find something you like and you know, let's call it through the end of the year. Use code RHR20 to get 20% off and go pick up something neat. We've got these super soft hoodies that are all logoed up. we make all this stuff completely in-house. Not sponsored, we don't have any hookups on merch. We just want you guys to be able to support the channel in any way that you feel like you want to. So head over to redhenracing.com, check out our stuff. Make sure you like and drop a subscribe if you feel like it, because we've got some good stuff coming up. We appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next time.
Next week, but that's cool.
Cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and